Here's the thing, you know you have to smell good. I've said it multiple times. The issue is most guys don't want to spend on a fragrance or they don't have the money to spend on a fragrance. So your boy is going to make it easier and cheaper for you. We're going to boil it down to something that all of you must be wearing, which is deodorant. Today, boys, I brought the 7 most popular deodorant brands that you buy in your local store, and I also brought girls so they could smell test these deodorants and tell you just how attractive they smell on men. Let's hop into it.
Let me ask you a question. Is scent important to you for a man or on a man?
It is. I do. Because I feel if you smell good, it just sets the tone, and it honestly I feel more relaxed around you, and especially it does increase attractiveness a little bit to me.
Okay.
What's your name?
Ricky.
Nice to meet you, Ricky. I'm Jessie.
Ricky, do you use any fragrances at all?
Yes.
You do?
I do.
Do you like men that wear fragrances?
Yes, I think it's important. I think it's part of the entire, how you present yourself. When you first meet somebody, you look at them, your eyes don't go to it, but that's one of the senses, you obviously.
Okay. Alexandra, close your eyes. Take a whiff.
Okay. I got a whiff.
You got a good whiff?
Yes.
What do you think?
I liked it. It was a little subtle sweet hint. And what's it called? It had that cologne smell a little bit.
Okay.
Not
So a
gonna
little
lie.
premium.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I liked it.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes, right?
Closing your eyes and then just take a whiff.
Okay. Doesn't smell too,
Okay.
nothing impractical.
Did you smell anything at all?
Yeah, it smells a little fruity, but
A
nothing
little fruity? Okay.
nothing much.
You're indifferent about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
On a
not
scale of 1 to 10?
4.
4. Okay.
Probably like a 7.5.
Oh,
Yeah.
shoot, 7. How attractive do you think the guy next to you is?
I'm probably gonna give the same score.
7.5.
Yeah.
Okay, my man Ricky, above average. Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Alexandra.
Hi, Alexandra. Where are you from?
I'm from Jersey.
Jersey? What part of Jersey?
North Jersey, Bergen County.
Okay.
Have you ever been there?
Yeah. What do you like to do for fun?
A lot. Anything that sounds adventurous. I love adrenaline. I'm definitely an adrenaline junkie. What about you?
Good. Same. I've done skydiving, so that's pretty much just says a lot about me.
Really?
Yeah, it's scary, but it's the best feeling in the world. I've been there, been in Bayonne.
Oh, okay. My parents grew up there, so.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice little whiff.
I like this one better.
Oh, okay, off the bat.
Mm-hmm.
All
It
right.
just has a stronger scent, in a good way.
And you like that stronger scent?
Stronger scents, if it's a good scent, it's always
Okay.
a good thing. But if it's a strong scent and it's not a good scent, then
What would you categorize it as? Masculine?
I would. That's exactly what I would say.
It was a fresh scent, but it's not something I would prefer on somebody that I was dating.
What does it remind you of, if you had to pinpoint it?
Probably fresh laundry, but with a twist.
What would you rate the entire date, including his personality, the date, and how he smells? That's usually how you would rate a real date.
He was talkative. He was friendly. I would give him an 8.
An 8? I don't know. Great job, Kelly.
The fragrance itself was probably a 4 or 5. Because it didn't smell bad. It just wasn't something that I preferred. But the conversation was pretty good, so I would say a 6.5 altogether.
So low key, I had to put in my own product because I would not sell something to you guys if I don't know it works. So I'm gonna put it into the test too.
Hey, my name's Isaiah.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
Jesse? Jesse, do you believe in love at first sight?
I do not. I feel I believe in infatuation at first sight. You can fall in love with someone's physique, but love is so much more deeper than a physical thing.
So do you think I could change your mind real quick if I peek over this wall?
Isaiah,
No? Sorry.
No.
What's one thing that you're proud of since you've been alive?
Since I've been alive? That's
Yes.
a hard question. So what do you do for work?
I do a little bit of everything. I try to stay in the creative field though, and I want to have multiple, lines of income to make sure that as much as I'm working, I can still, focus on passion.
That's a good question. So I would say that one thing that I'm probably proud of is that I know that I'm on the right track where I am going, so young, but I know that I have a lot of prospects in the future, you know what I mean?
That's good. I like that.
Hey, what do you think? One
I
time.
liked it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think that was probably an 8.
Good little whip.
This is the best one so far.
The best one?
By a long shot.
He just loves, he has good taste. He has good taste.
I'm gonna give him a 9.
Alright, I mean, that's above average. You got the best rating so far. Alright, that's not bad.
That was a nail biter. I kid you not. Look, I didn't pay these chicks. Our stuff just smells good. You want to know why? Because I bought the best deodorants in the market. I bought over 20 of them, have been testing them out for months to develop this. A spray-on deodorant that won't stain your clothes, that's fast drying, that keeps you dry all day, and here's the important part, it smells amazing. And that's what I want you guys to experience. Now, like I said, this is unreleased, but I'm letting you guys know now. See our last Heat Grooming launch? All our products, they sold out within about 2 hours. I want you to know that May 22nd, put this on your phone, put a reminder, 10 a.m. Eastern, we're dropping our new deodorant, which I'm telling you, at the price point, like it's so crazy affordable, it's going to fly. We're also dropping our new body wash that smells like a legit high-end perfume. And ultimately, we're also restocking our facial scrub and our other tools that sold out immediately. That way you guys get a chance. So remember, May 22nd, 10 a.m. Eastern, you're gonna have girls complimenting you left and right with a simple deodorant.
Hi, I'm Gia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What were you gonna say?
No, I was gonna ask what you do in your free time.
Oh, my free time, I attend Teaching Men's Fashion University.
Teaching Men's Fashion University.
Right.
There you go.
TMF University, yes.
No, but I mostly put together outfits, take pictures, relax. I love my dog, visit my family. But what's one thing that keeps you smiling no matter what?
What keeps me smiling no matter what?
Yes.
Oh, that's a hard one. Do you like anime yourself?
Not as much as him by any means, but One Punch Man.
One Punch Man. Have you ever seen that one? That one's actually really funny, actually.
Really? Do you like
Yeah,
it?
I've seen it before. It was actually really nice, yeah. I suggest you watch it if you haven't already.
You guys are already connected.
I would probably have to say just like, I like playing soccer. I'll probably
Okay.
say that, yeah.
Now you can take your shirt off.
Okay.
Alright, let your date smell your armpit.
Am I about to? Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Alright, you got a good whip?
Yes.
What do you think?
I like that one a lot, actually, yeah.
What does it smell like?
It was more of like a comfortable smell. Like I feel like I've smelled my dad smell like that before. I don't know.
Or potential boyfriend.
I don't know if I'd want my boyfriend to smell like my dad. That's a little weird, but it was a very comfortable scent, which like I said
Okay.
before, like scents remind me of different times in my life or memories. So
Yeah.
it's a very nice
1
scent.
to 10. What do you rate your date?
The date,
Including the scent.
Including
As a
the scent?
person, he's a package.
the scent has to be lower though, because I don't want it to be my dad.
Okay, so what's the scent?
The scent was probably like a 3 or a 4. Just because like that's
Reminds you of your
uncomfortable.
dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the date was pretty good. I would say a 5.5.
So on
Yeah.
average of 4?
Yeah.
You.
Getting used to this. I'm getting good at this.
Yeah.
Maybe it's my new profession.
Good whip?
Okay. It's a little basic.
A
Nothing.
little too basic? What would you rate it? 1 to 10?
3? Is that
How about your
me?
date?
Seems nice. Interesting.
So where you from?
My family's from El Salvador, so I'm Salvadoreña, but I'm born and bred Brooklyn.
Oh, Brooklyn. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I mean, it smells average. It doesn't smell.
Average, run of the mill? 1 to 10?
4.
A 4? What would you rate the conversation?
He was nice, and he's from Brooklyn. I have to be.
Okay.
I would give him a 5.
I was a little bit nervous about this one just because I'm gonna admit something to you guys. I've used women's deodorant a lot. Like when I don't have deodorant, I'll just grab my wife's or any deodorant that's around. I used to think I smelled flowery and like a girl. I guess we don't.
What's your name?
Oh, my name's Alexandra.
Alexandra. How long you been in New York for?
I don't live in New York, but I travel like often throughout the month, so I'm here quite a bit.
And what's the best place you travel to? Like,
In
you
the
like
world.
nature? Or?
We have property upstate New York, and we went hiking around Watkins Glen, New York, and that's beautiful. It's like
You have pictures? I just went
I
upstate
do.
as well. I went to Bear Mountain Park. Low-key, I was scared because I thought there was gonna be bears everywhere, but there was no bears,
because
thankfully.
it's called Bear Mountain.
Yeah, so I was
funny.
expecting it to be everywhere. I got a little stick just in case to protect us, and I was like, let's just go out and see how it goes.
There you go.
My favorite thing is kayaking. There's something about kayaking that just like, when you go kayaking and you just watch the sunrise in the middle of the ocean, you want to smell armpit.
If I want, smells good.
Smells good? Off the bat? 1 to 10. What do you rate it?
A 6.
A 6? 6, what do you rate the conversation?
He was great. Sounds like a fun guy.
Alright, that was actually really nice.
Oh, really? Nice.
Yeah, like,
What would you rate it? 1 to 10?
it kind of smelled a little spicy. So I would say, I would give that one an 8.5.
8.5. What,
Yeah.
what would you rate your date?
It was very like a smooth conversation. I'd give that a 9.
What did we learn? You don't want to smell like your dad,
I don't know if I'd want my boyfriend to smell like my dad. That's a little weird.
and you don't want to smell indifferent.
Doesn't smell too, you know,
Okay.
nothing impactful.
You want to smell good. You don't need to buy a fragrance, you just need to check out Heat Grooming, dropping May 22nd. Boys, that's it for your boy. See you next time.